Hey everybody, it's Dean DeCosta of the Search Authority, and what we're doing today, we're going through tab 2 of the Permutator, and what we're going to do with it. Now, the tools and method is the same. It's just what this permutator allows us to do that the other one didn't. So in this case, this allows us to use common names to find emails. So what I did, in this case, it's your name along with either Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or AOL, or Outlook, or AOL. Those are the most common used by people in America of the free email domains. So I'm not going to go ahead and grab them all. I'm not going to change anything. We're going to use this person. We're going to copy, and then we're going to do the same method. We're going to go back to our domain set. We're going to add those in. We're going to check emails. And we're going to let it do its thing. Now, sometimes it'll pop up and say, wait 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, whatever. Sometimes it doesn't. It's kind of weird. This case it didn't, probably because I've already done it. It does struggle with Yahoo emails, but these are all Gmail, so we're going to see if any of them are good. Now it does take a second or two, sometimes longer, sometimes short. It really kind of depends. And now you can see we got many. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 that are considered good to go. So what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our email qualifier tool first and foremost. So the first one was good. So let's click search and see if it can connect me to anything that might help me figure out who the heck is, if this is the right person or not. It did not. So the next one is the third one, the not the underscore, but the BV one, which is this one. So let's try that one. Now, the problem with this is it's B Vander. There could be a lot of different people. Didn't do anything. That doesn't mean not good. Just means it couldn't. The next one's just Bruce V. Very common. And the last one is just Vandergaard. Again, pretty damn common. So we're going to go ahead and see. And then I think the other one was Bruce V., which is that one. And it wasn't able to validate anything. So what we're going to do, and I already know which one's good, by the way, is we're going to go to step 2. Right click and do a Google search. And we got Brew Vandor there. We got another one there. By the way, this is the right email. And obviously you're creating email for a person, so the presumption is you know who the person is, what he does, whatever. So this one right here is him. But that's the presumption. So we know that that method found the right person for us. Let's try other methods. Other method 2 is Amazing Hiring. Does Amazing Hiring have them? I'm not signed into Amazing Hiring, so let's not go down that road. Let's see. Does Human Prediction doesn't look like I'm signed into Human Predictions. I don't stay signed into my tools, and that's done on purpose because I don't like Big Brother following, watching, and stuff. So I have a tendency not to. It's a LinkedIn thing I learned about. So let's try this again with Human Predictions. And they couldn't find, which doesn't surprise me because I don't believe it's technical if I remember correctly. Down here we can do the swordfish thing, see if swordfish can find them. We can do the zap info thing, which of course we've done. And you can do any of these to figure it out. What I'm going to do again though, as soon as I get back to my original search, which for some reason got stupid. This is the one we're looking for because that's the one we know validated good. We're going to copy that one, and what we're going to do is we're going to come over here into my email reputation, which is one of my favorite tools of all time, and we're going to see what it can find for me. And we're going to wait a few seconds, and it has a medium reputation, which is still good. Not a whole lot of information about it, but we know it's a good email and it's a medium reputation, so that's good. So also all total between the plethora of things that we tried, um, we were able to ascertain one Facebook page and all that. And then advanced background check has nothing on it. But it's okay because, like I said, when we did the Google check, we were able to find his Facebook page. So there you go, done over. So that's that. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and go through the next section, which is going to be the domain email. It's basically when they own their own domain. And, human beings being what it is and the way domains work, there's only so many combinations. So we're going to show that next. So in the meantime, my name is Dean DeCosta, the Search Authority. This was the Big Common Personal tab of the email permutator. May the source be with you.